This is Vimfun vertical dry cutting machine, designed for precision and efficiency. It features a compact structure, high-speed operation, and a CNC cutting system. It ensures smooth and precise cuts across a variety of materials. This machine uses our advanced endless diamond wire technology. It delivers fast, clean, burr-free cuts with minimal material loss. Perfect for cutting hard and brittle materials. At Vimfun, we are committed to cutting-edge technology and quality manufacturing. With years of expertise, a dedicated R&D team, and state-of-the-art production facilities, we provide innovative cutting solutions for industries worldwide. Contact us today for more information.